Hello everyone, today I will show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 25H2. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type download Windows 11 and press enter. From the search results, click on the official Microsoft website. Once you are on the official Windows 11 download page, scroll down until you see the section called Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Under that section, you will see a button that says Download Now. Click on that button to start downloading the Windows 11 installer. After the download is complete, open the installer file. When you run it, it may ask you to download and install the PC Health Check app to verify if your computer meets the system requirements for Windows 11. Follow the on-screen instructions and let it check your PC's compatibility. If your computer meets the minimum requirements, you will see a message confirming that your PC is ready for Windows 11. Next, click on the button labeled Accept and Install. The Windows 11 download process will then begin. Depending on your internet speed, this step may take some time. Make sure your computer stays connected to power and the internet throughout the download and installation. When everything is ready, your PC will automatically restart several times as Windows 11 is installed. Now your PC has been successfully upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11 version 25H2. Thanks for watching.